How to see Snapchat messages without the other person knowing or without opening the message. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see Snapchat messages without the other person knowing. So to do that, first of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and then simply navigate over to the chats. Now once you're on your chats, you can see that this person has sent me a message. So if you open the chat, you will see the message, but they will also see that you have seen the message. So if you want to read this message without them knowing, what you'll have to do is simply follow all the steps I tell you. So the first thing you want to do is simply tap on the profile and then quickly swipe right without leaving your finger. So let me demonstrate you. All you have to do is tap on the profile and then quickly swipe right. So as you can see, this is the motion right over here. All you have to do is tap on their profile and then swipe right real quick. After that, swipe right until you can see the message, and remember, don't leave your finger, otherwise this chat will be open and they will see that you have seen the message. So as you can see, I can read their messages, which is okay and the handshake emoji. And if you slide your finger to the left and then release it, you can see that this chat has not been yet opened. So hope this video helped you guys out. That was basically how you see Snapchat messages without the other person knowing or without opening it. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.